Hello everyone, welcome to Honaris Arts and Lifestyle channel. Today I am actually at my parents' house and I thought it's a very good opportunity to show you some of my paintings and my artwork. Actually my parents' house has become like an art gallery, so anywhere you see you will be able to find my artwork and my paintings. To start the tour, this is the living room where you can find this Bharatanatyam picture. Okay, this is part painting and part artwork. Why? Because all the things that you are seeing over here, okay, they're all made of paper. So this is a handmade paper, and each one of the strips that you are seeing here, these are all paper, including the leg part, the hands and the face, as well as even this bell, even that is made of paper. Okay, so I have cut the paper and I have stuck it like this, and even the hair part where you find this white thing which is actually stuck as if it's a flower, so even that is paper. And I have used some kundan stones and pearls to decorate. So the only painting thing that you will find is eyes, nose, lips, and the mehendi that she is wearing in the hands, and this diya, okay, and even the purple background. So only these things are the paintings, and the rest of them is actually the paper. Okay, and if you observe closely the border, it's the same border that we use it for our clothes and all. So it's the same kind of border that I have used here. All the paintings that you're seeing in this video were actually done a few years back. I have been painting since my childhood, and I have even won a lot of awards when I was in the school during inter-school competitions and all. So fortunately for this Bharatanatyam artwork, I had actually taken step-by-step photographs so that everyone can understand the entire process of making this particular artwork. And this is what it is. And now moving to the right side, there you can see a very beautiful peacock. Okay, so to be honest, this was not done from the scratch. We actually get something called as paint by numbers in the market. So what happens in paint by numbers kit is that you actually get a canvas which will already have numbers in it. Okay, so it will have an outline of the painting that you need to do, and along with that there will be areas which are being marked along with the numbers. So along with this particular canvas, they also give you the paint set. On top of each of these paint bottles there will be a number given. Okay, so all you need to do is, if one is marked on the bottle, so you will have to search all those areas in the canvas where one is being marked in the outline. Okay, and you will have to cover that particular outline from inside with the paint bottle that has got number 1 in it. So it's very simple, anybody can do it, and the outcome is just fabulous. Okay, you will just love it. You may feel like, okay, there is no originality in it, why should we do it, but you will enjoy the process when you try it. Okay, the outcome that you're going to get, it is just like a digital photograph. And also there is something very special that comes along with the paint by numbers. You can get your photographs customized into paint by numbers. So in the foreign countries, what people are doing is, those people who have got some spare time, or they want to give some special gifts to somebody and they are interested in art, so they just order these kinds of paint by number kits. Okay, and they give the photograph of their babies or their spouse or their brothers, sisters, whosoever, and get a custom canvas made. Okay, and when you paint it, the way in which it looks is really good. So these are some of these custom portraits which are being done, and look at how beautiful they are. In fact, this will be an ideal gift in case if you have got time and you want to give a personalized gift to somebody. In case you guys want to purchase this, then a lot of canvases are already available on Amazon.com. So I'll be leaving link for some of the great paint by numbers kit in the description box of this video. But apart from that, most of the companies who actually manufacture this and sell this, they are not in India. I would say none of them are in India as of now. So they're all from abroad. And there is this one particular company called Max Novelty Paint by Numbers. They sell fabulous paint by numbers kit, and it is from this particular shop that I purchased all of my canvases. Okay, this is their website, so you can just go to their website and place the order. So in the website itself, you will find a place where you can actually give the order for customization of a photograph in case if you want. And here are some of my other paint by numbers which I had given a try. So if you look at this particular photo, you will be able to understand how the canvas was before, and along with the canvas they actually give a small photograph also of how the painting will look like after you paint it. Okay, and this particular painting, it is just in progress. Okay, and I had taken a photograph while it was in progress so that I could share it with my friends, and when I complete it, this is how it looks. Many of these paintings have actually been given as gifts to my friends and family. Now, just like paint by numbers, there is one other concept called as paint by diamonds. Okay, and this is really good. Okay, it's going to be really tough to do it because the diamonds that they use are so small. They are the size of, they are probably a double or triple size of a mustard seed. Okay, so you can just imagine how small the diamonds will be. So using these diamonds, you are actually going to stick these diamonds onto the canvas. Again, this particular canvas will have a drawing on it, and there will be guidance on which kind of a diamond you need to paste where. So they will be giving the diamonds also. When I say diamonds, these are the plastic beads. Okay, these look something like this. So once you start pasting according to what they say, that is when you are going to get the entire paint by diamond kind of a canvas ready. And this particular painting which is there in my living room right now, this is about 5 feet in width and about 3 feet in height, and I had taken almost 1 year to complete this, but it is really beautiful. Okay, actually when I'm recording this particular video, there is a lot of reflection of the light because of the glass and all, but if you actually look at it from face to face, it shines, it glitters, and it's really good. So again, you can actually customize all of these things, just like how you could customize your paint by numbers. If you have got a photograph of your marriage, you can just give that particular photograph to them, and they will be sending you the paint by diamonds kit to you, customized. So you can use that kit to actually complete your customized photo using the diamonds. So here are some of the great diamond paintings which I downloaded from the internet. These are the ones which people have really done, okay? And it's very beautiful. You get these kits in small sizes. You don't have to panic because my painting is so big. You get this in small sizes, but the bigger size you purchase, it will be better. So both paint by numbers and paint by diamond kits are going to be expensive. But if you don't get the best quality in this, then the painting is not going to come out very well. Okay, and this one you can actually make it as a very good hobby. It's too good. The process of doing this is going to be a little difficult, but then anybody can try this and the outcome is going to be very beautiful, and it's only going to increase the beauty of your house when you hang these kind of paintings. My paint by diamonds kit, I had actually purchased it from a shop called Pedili Collections. Okay, so their quality is also very good, and you also find lots of kits on Amazon. I will also be leaving some of the links for these great paint by diamond kits at the description box of the video. But apart from that, there is this one particular shop which is too good, okay? It is called Paint with Diamonds, and here is a website for it. So if you guys can actually purchase from this shop, then you are going to get the best quality and the best results. So they will also have small video on their website which shows you the process of doing this kind of a painting. Okay, and this is going to be like a therapy. Okay, so in case if you have got anxiety and all, a lot of people abroad, they actually develop this kind of a hobby so that their anxiety can come down, and this process can actually calm them down. Now coming to the TV area. Here you can see this beautiful sunflowers. It is actually bright yellow, but you are not able to see it in the camera. This was done as a present for my mother. This is a special painting of goddess Rajarajeshwari. We can also consider this as Lalita Parameshwari. And as you can see, the signature over here, this was done in 1983. Quite an old painting, not done by me of course, but I just love the detail of it. This is like a very old 2D Tanjore painting. Look at the detail of the flower garland, the face of the goddess, the lion, and the throne. Absolutely stunning, isn't it? I have removed all the garland and the flowers that was being put for this photo so that you all can see the photo properly. Now, climbing on the stairs, there are few more paintings which are being put. This was not done by me, this was done by some other artist, and this is just a printout. Me and my mom loved it so much that we got it and we framed it and we have put it here. So this Radha and Krishna that you're seeing here, this was done by me. And I don't know how old I was when this painting was done, probably 13-14 years or even lesser than that. I have used poster colors to do this painting, and if you can clearly see, I've used some chimkeys and all over here. Okay, just showing you how immature it was to use glitters and chimkeys and all on this painting. And also I have used gold paint for the crowns and a bronze paint, for the pot. Now going a little further up, this is again not my painting, but we absolutely love the way the children are playing over here. So we purchased this photo and we got it framed. Now this painting that you can see, it was a gift given to my father on his 46th birthday, and I think I was 16 years old when I painted this. And again you can see all the glitters that I have used over here for the painting. This painting is actually done on a 2 rupees paper. Okay, during those days we used to get something called as kg cardboard. Okay, so it is that paper that I have taken here and I have painted it and then got it framed. And if you come closer, please look at how detailed the wooden planks are for the well. So there are combination of paints that has been used here. I've used acrylic at certain places, I've used watercolors at certain places, I've used sketch pens also. So it's like a kind of mix and match. And there is a lot of reflection of light, so that is why I'm not able to show it very well. So here is a picture of this without any reflection. Now going a little up. So this photo that you are able to see, it was actually a 1940s photo which my grandfather had at his native place. Okay, and I borrowed it from my grandfather and I have painted it. And if you can see the signature over here, it was actually signed by a very special person. He was my grandfather's very best friend and like a mentor to my father. So when he had come to my house, my grandfather was so proud of this painting that he showed it to him, and he has signed excellent on this. Sadly, the person is no more, so is my grandfather. And this was done using acrylic paint. And if you go closely, you can see all these bubbles and the outlines that has been given to these bubbles, right? So it had taken almost one night for me just to give outline to these bubbles. So the entire house has been decorated with only paintings on each and every wall that is possible. So this is again an oil painting. And I was very fascinated by the idea of these mountains which was covered with snow. So you can look at the trees, the bark of the trees, the leaves. The mountain. And the reflection on the water.
This painting was done using acrylic paint. And this painting of Krishna was actually given as a present to one of my clients who had come from UK. He was a British, and it so happened when I was in office, I was just browsing through some of my files, and he happened to see my paintings in that. So he said that he loves paintings, especially the ones which are Indian themed. And when I asked him which one did he like, so he told me that he likes this kind of a Krishna painting. And that is when I actually gifted this to him. And I think this is in UK now, hung up in his house. This was done using poster colors. So these are all the paintings that I wanted to show you. I hope you have liked this video. And if you want me to show you how to do some of these paintings, then please do leave a comment on this video and I'll get back to you. Thank you.